First, go to purchase.made-in-China.com to log in your virtual office, and then click Transaction on the menu. Click My Online Order, and remember to click View Quotation. And you will see the quotes of your online order. Check your information here and your quotes. And this is your total amount of your order and a coupon code bar. Enter your coupon code. Click Apply. And then click Pay Now. You will be directed into the Grove.com page. Click I have read and agree to the user agreement and confirm authorization. After that, you will go into the payment page to make the payment. You can choose your preferred payment method and enter into your card or bank transfer information. Last step is click Submit Payment and you're done.